Hello, year ones. It is Thursday. Get your English activity pack out and open up on Thursday. So, for today's activity, year ones, we are looking at prefixes and root words, okay? Or the base word. Remember that I told you a base word is a word that can still stand on its own and make sense. So for this activity, same as Monday year one, all you have to do is circle the base word and underline your prefix just like we did on Monday. Okay, remember, this word consists of a prefix, so the word unlock consists of a prefix and a base word. So, year one, the base word I said can stand on its own. Unlock, that means the word lock is our base word, so we'll circle it and we'll underline the word unlock, just like that. Then we move on to our next activity here, ones. Adventurous adverbs. Okay, you need to think of 5 adventurous adverbs that describe the verb shown in the picture. We can look at played. You can also use words that go just with play. Okay, think of words that describe your verb. And here your verb is played, or you can simply use play. Think of 5 words to describe how the kids played. Okay. And that is it for your English for today. Let's move on to your maths. Please get your maths out and open up on Thursday. For Thursday's math year one, we are looking at addition sums only. Okay, for the first part of the activity, you have to complete the hard sums. Okay, so your answers go in where the heart is empty. So you have to say 8 plus 8 and you write your answer in here. Whatever answer you get in here, minus 10, you write in there. Okay, and then you see how quickly you can add all these addition sums. And then we move on to our science activity for Thursday. Here ones, please get your science activity pack out and open up on Thursday. So, for Thursday, we're still looking at senses, year one. Try and listen or think of 2 things you can hear and write it on the line. 2 or more things you can feel. What can you taste? What can you smell? And write it in here. 2 or more. And what can you see? Okay, so write these things in the circle, and that is it for Thursday.